This is my first time doing a balloon, and I felt very safe from start to finish. The experience was amazing.
Oh my God, it is fantastic. I'm so pleased.
Balloon is one of the best experience.
I'm really happy that I did this because it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity over the Serengeti. We are using African Queen Adventures.
They are lovely, very friendly.
The vehicles are very comfortable and very safe, and it's been a marvelous experience.
Absolutely mind-blowing.
Everyone is super friendly and super efficient,
They want to do more than what they're supposed to do.
and I'm really happy.
I highly recommend to all my friends.